Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 23rd of June 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla, and for this week the expiry is on the 28th. Now, both the CE and PE is up, that's positive. Quantity is higher for PE, which is positive. Change is higher for PE, which is positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, which is again positive. And the PCR is below 1, however, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower, but historical volatility is higher, so that's a positive and a negative. The RSI is higher, so that's positive, and let me zoom in here. No divergence, that's neutral. In this case, since Tesla is going sideways, ADX is lower, that's also neutral since it says we're not trending. ATR is lower, that's still neutral. The EMAs are both. One EMA stayed the same, whereas the previous EMA of 50 went lower, so that's negative. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. And candlestick is neutral. So let me write that in. The new support is 160, previous weeks was 150. Resistance is 200, previous weeks was 180. And the option chain predicts that Tesla should go up. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.